Guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a good day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you change your name in Instagram. So you need to have an Instagram account first. So let's go to Instagram first. After going to Instagram, you can see in the right bottom icon your profile icon. Click on this. After clicking on your profile icon, you can see under your name edit profile option. Click on this. After clicking on edit profile option, you can see the first one, name. Here your name is written. You can change your name here, just like I'm changing my name. After changing your name, you need to click on the blue icon in the top right corner. Click on the blue icon. Again, you need to click on the blue icon in the same place. After clicking on the blue icon, you can see your name is changed, but you cannot change it again for 14 days. So guys, this is how can you change your name in Instagram. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.